guys, we have another behind the lens, and it's gonna be a fun one today. I'm really excited about, you know, the location, the car, overall how it's gonna go. I think it's gonna be really successful. We have a really cool, unique location for today's shoot. It's actually gonna be at an airport, more of a smaller, not like, you know, a JFK, a Los Angeles airport type thing, but more of a smaller airport, but still the, you know, the setting is what that matters. And we got a really cool older JDM car. It's a Toyota MR2. Yeah, I think you guys are gonna really enjoy this one. We're gonna be doing it at around a little bit before sunset golden hour, but we're also gonna get shots during golden hour and sunset. So I think it's gonna be a really blast shoot. I think let's get the camera gear ready, head out to the location, and I'll see you guys out there.